everyone, this is CJ over here at Full Throttle Powersports, located in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Today we're going to take a look at one of our pre-owned units. This 2025 KTM 150 SX is 27.9 hours. It comes equipped with a fuel-injected 150cc two-stroke engine, electric start, WPXX suspension, a Brembo hydraulic clutch, and a lightweight chassis built for motocross domination. The 150 SX is back after a 2-year break and it's better than ever. If you want a bike that's fast, light, built to win, this is it. Come check it out at Full Throttle Powersports in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Call us at 603-357-7999 or visit ftpnh.com to learn more or schedule a test ride.